go to the Skype, try to download the accounts receivables document. Okay, do one thing. Ranjit, stop your screen sharing. Durgama will share the screen. Okay. Don't worry. Do your accounts payables configurations in SAP S4 HANA. Then do it in do it for the customer master data also. Stop your screen sharing. Don't worry. All of you try to observe the points that we are doing right now. Okay. And at the same time, yesterday we have got the error. Okay. So today we will don't know what errors will coming into the picture. I think so we can able to solve these errors. There is no issue. But the thing is that you have to observe those points. What are the business roles that we are doing? What are the business category roles? I mean categories that are assigned to the particular business roles. All of you do your configurations in SAP S4 HANA. I'm just giving the information on all these things. Okay. I'm not getting any screenshots from you. Some of the people are not sending the screenshots. Just try to understand the point. Transport request concept pending, sir. Why it is pending means you have only one demo server. You don't have any client servers. Okay, like development server, testing server, and the next one is production server. Okay, we cannot move the transport request from one server to the another server, right? So that is the one concept I will tell you. You don't worry. I will make one. What is the thing? I will make one notepad. Okay, so based on that notepad, I will show you how we can able to transport the request from one server to the another server. Okay, so do you have any doubts, Nagaraju? Rest of the things?
No, sir.
Okay. And the next one is good. So open this document now. That is accounts receivables document. Accounts receivables document. No, not this thing. Go to the Skype. Go to the Skype. Can you come down? Yes, that is the thing. No, not this thing. Come down. No. This one only. Yes, accepted. So now we can able to do the configurations in SAP S4 HANA, all of you. Okay. So SAP S4 HANA, master data creation is very, very important. Okay. And business master data configurations are very, very important. Okay. So these things are mandatory. Okay. So in interview point of view, they just ask you on why you are using the accounting groups in ECC. Okay, that is a simple question. When it comes to the SAP S4 HANA, why you are not using the business partner in ECC? Why you only use the business partner in SAP S4 HANA? What is the exact difference between ECC and SAP S4 HANA when it comes to the accounts payables configurations and accounts receivables configurations? Okay, they just to focus on all these things, all of you. Okay, so you know it very well. So based on which database but based on which field wise we are going to have the difference between ECC and SAP S4 HANA. So based on the master data space, right? I mean general data, company code data, and uh, what we can say, purchasing data or sales data. Okay, so based on screen wise, we do have differences. Okay, in SAP ECC and SAP S4 HANA. Okay, so if you don't have, I mean, if you're not getting the idea on all these things, just go to the accounts payables configurations. I have explained you very clearly. Okay, so please try to tell these answers to the interviewer. Okay. All right. So what we need to do? So we need to define accounting groups using transaction code OBD2 for the customers. Okay. Domestic accounting group and domestic customer group. Sorry, domestic customer accounting group, international customer accounting group, one-time account group. Yes, ma'am. Try to create the domestic accounting group. Go to the transaction code OBD2. Go to the new address. Go to the new address and give the accounting group as OB. Sorry, anything. CAG1. Good. And the meaning is domestic customer accounting group. Domestic customer accounting group. Domestic customer accounting group. Good. So you can able to, I mean, control the fields of the master data from the OBD2 transaction code only, all of you. Okay, general master data, company code data, and sales data and all. Then next one, go to the save button and save it. And after this thing, you can able to create the international customer accounting groups. And after that, one-time customer accounting group. And you know it very well, all of you. This output determination processor is having the main focus of the customer billing status, customer shipping status, and customer paying status and all. And sold to party, billed to party, and shipped to party. When we do the configurations of the O2C, like FI to SD integrations, and then we will come back to this accounting group and we will going to assign the what this accounting group is particularly having. Is this accounting group is related to bill to party? Is this accounting group is related to ship to party? Is this accounting group is related to sold to party? Okay. So the main important thing is that as this document is not sent, Ranjit, we will send the as is document. You don't worry. First, try to learn the configurations. With if I send the configurations of the document of as is document and to be document, you cannot understand without doing the configurations of the accounts receivables and accounts payables configurations. Okay. So the main important thing is that when it comes to the bill to party and ship to party and sold to party. Now I will just give you the one example on SAP S4 HANA. Okay, in SAP S4 HANA, in SAP ECC also, you do have same thing like bill to party, ship to party, sold to party, and also what is the thing? Pay, I mean pay. Okay, so paying, I mean receiving the payments from the particular customers. The most important thing is that you are the one customer, okay, and you are using Amazon Prime, and you are using Amazon, your friend's Amazon Prime. Your friend is the main customer, okay. So based on that customer details, you will going to give the your address details, okay. So that product should be delivered to your address, not your friend's address. Okay. So ship to party is the main thing. That invoice bill will be sent to the particular customer only who is having the access of the Prime membership. Okay. Now I will just give you the example. Balaji is having Amazon Prime. Okay. And this Balaji account is using, sorry, this Kirti is there and Soma is there and Raju is there and Ranjit is there and Irfan is there. Okay. So all these persons are using the Balaji Amazon Prime account and Balaji is the main customer, right? So after that, Kirti has bought one goods from the Amazon. So the main customer is Balaji and the ship to customer, ship to party we can call it as, and we need to ship this goods to the particular customer. Who is the customer here? Kirti. Okay, ship to party is the Kirti. Then next, bill to party. Who will going to pay the bill? I mean, to which address, to which customer they will going to share the bill. Obviously, for the Balaji account only, they will going to share the billing address. Okay, and after that, Kirti will download the invoice. Then who will going to pay the amount? Okay, definitely Kirti will going to pay the amount once Kirti receives the particular goods and all from the Amazon delivery. Okay, so that is why, see, Amazon is not using the SAP systems and all. Okay, so I'm just giving you the example. So what is the bill to party, ship to party, sold to party, and pay? I mean, receiving the payments from the customers. Okay, later. So have you done the one-time customer group also now? Okay, good. So give slash n, and what is the next thing? And we need to create the number ranges for these three things only, right? So give slash n and go to the transaction code. Number range information, XTN1 transaction code. Go to the edit intervals. In ECC, all of you, we should be able to find out the number ranges. But in SAP S4 HANA, we do have free intervals. Okay, automatically system will be generated. Why? Because it is a cloud service, right? Based on the databases only, they will give the number ranges. So give the anything, ma'am, for the first customer accounting group, that is domestic customer accounting group. You can just give anything. C1, select that thing and go to the continue option. Same thing, all of you. What we have done in the accounts payables configurations, we do it in the accounts receivables configurations. But the thing is that today we will going to see whether the errors coming into the picture or not. Go to the Receivable and send it. Okay, for domestic customer accounting group, we use temporary C1. Take out the free intervals, give the C2 and select the thing and go to the continue option and go to the save button and save it. See, you no need to worry about the intervals overlapping. Okay, but in ACC, so we just need to worry about the interval overlapping. Okay, you got my point, all of you? C2, select the thing and go to the continue option. Yes. Go to the save button and save it. So we have done with this data. Okay, that is go to this Word document, no, and try to write down C1 is for the number range, and try to write down the customer accounting groups also. Okay, so for the CAG1 we use C1, for CAG2 we use C2, and for CAG3 we use C3. Okay, so then next one is assign number range to the customer accounting group using transaction code OBAR. So for vendor accounting groups, we use transaction code OBAS, right? All of you. So for customer accounting groups, assignings of the customer accounting group to the number ranges using transaction code OBAR. Okay. Go to the OBI transaction code and go to the position and try to find out the points. That is CAG1. Go to the position now and give CAG accounting group. That is domestic customer accounting group. That is C1, and the next one is C2, and the next one is C3. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Yes. The next one. Next thing is, see, we need to configure the business partner things also, right, all of you. So try to observe the point. Go to the Word document now. Now we need to define the number ranges using transaction code BUCF. Okay. Go to the transaction code BUCF now. Go to the transaction code BUCF. BUCF. Go to the intervals now. So try to check with the free intervals. Try to check with the free intervals. Yes. Okay, you do have 3 free intervals, right? So take out the three free intervals. 1C, 2C, 3C. Select this thing and go to the continue option. Go to the save button and save it. See, for domestic customer, okay, customer master records, domestic customer master record, I am using the 1C, okay. Go to the save button and save it. So the next one. The next one. See, 2C. So for international customer master record, I am using the 2C. Continue this thing, go to the save button and save it. 2C is the main thing. Go to the save button and save it. Mm, 801 or anything. And then next one. So intervals 3C. Select the thing, go to the continue option. Yes, and try to change out the things. See why? Because if you give the lot of number ranges automatically, don't take out the lot of number ranges. See, you do have only 2 customers, 3 customers, 4 customers. Okay, for practice purposes. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Then next one is go to the Word document now. For the business partners, okay, we need to define BP groupings. Okay, what is the BP groupings and all? Okay, that is customer accounting group. I mean customer BP accounting group and customer BP international accounting group and customer BP one-time accounting group. Okay, there is no any transaction code for this thing, and we need to use the path. Okay. Give slash and now SJRO reference IMG. Okay. So you know it very well, all of you. This SAP project reference object, we need to find out the business partner. And at this thing, if you can't find out anything, just go to the find out option. You will going to find out the data. Okay. At the same time, go to the cross application components. Go to the cross application components. Go up. And SAP business partner. No, SAP business partner. I'm getting late screen, so that is why. And open the business partner. Open the business partner and open the basic settings. Number ranges and groupings. and define groupings and assign number ranges. We have already defined the number ranges, right, using transaction called VUCF. And go to the new entries now. And go to the new entries. Yes. And give the grouping now. Any grouping like domestic, BP, customer, DB, PC. The next one. IB, PC. IB, PC. Then next one, OB, PC. Okay, one-time business partner customers. Okay, and short name is no, ma'am. So we need to find out with another name. That is DBPC, DBPC customer, IBPC customer, OBPC customer. Just write down like this, so that we can able to find out the groupings in BP master records. And the description is domestic BP customer, international BP customer, and one-time BP customer. And assign the language 1C, 2C, 3C. Okay, click on the enter button, go to the save button, and split. Okay, so this data has been saved. Okay, this when the data has been saved, what will happen, all of you? Number range and grouping will be generated at the same time. With the help of number ranges and grouping, we need to have more clarity. I mean, clarity on what those things. See, we have already defined customer accounting groups. Okay, and also we have defined the BP customer accounting groups, and we have assigned the number ranges. Now, we should both combine these two business partner accounting groups and normal customer accounting groups. Okay, on which configuration define number assignments for direction BP to customer. Okay, go to the SPRO, reference IMG now. Why? Because all of you, whatever the single screen data that you want to have, okay, based on the first accounting groups only, you can able to have. Cross application components, SAP business part, sorry, master data synchronization. The next one is customer or vendor integration. And the next one is business partner settings. And next one is settings for customer integration. And the next one is field assignments for customer integration. Next one is assigning keys. And the next one is define number assignments for direction BP to customer. See, you can do it with the customer to BP or BP to customer. I am doing with BP to customer. So if you want to do with the customer to BP, you can do it. So go to the new entries now. Go to the new entries and take out DBPC, DBPC. Then next one. IBPC, IBPC, and OBPC. Then OBPC. And next one is accounting group. Okay, normal accounting groups. The first thing is CAG1, second thing is CAG2, and third thing is CHG3. Okay, please confirm with the short name and the name that you have given these two accounting groups, all of you. So if it is not correct, try to change it. Once you save the details, and all system will not going to, system will able to give the errors and resolutions. There is no issue based on the editing options. But the thing is that you need to check with, you need to cross check with these two accounting groups. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Okay, everything is fine, right, all of you? So can you give /n and try to create the vendor reconciliation account, sorry, customer reconciliation account and customer totals. Go to the OBD for transaction code now. Give the chart of accounts, go to the position and give you a chart of accounts. All of you, anyone is facing the errors of the universal general ledger. Okay, so try to send the errors to me or else in the group. Okay, we will try to give you the resolutions. Don't be in a scare mode. Okay. Current assets is 200,100 and the sales is same thing, right? Sales is 200,200. Oh, good. Okay, ma'am. Go to the transaction code FS00. Change your company code. Okay. And go to the create option, ma'am. 200,102. 200. GL account is 200,102. And the company code is yes. And the GL account type is balance sheet account. And the accounting group is current assets. And the short text is customer reconciliation account. And short text is customer reconciliation account. Go to the control data, everything is same. So the next one, create our bank interest. So the Z067 is for the reconciliation account field status group management. Okay, go to the save it and save it. And next one is a sales account. So go to the create option now, take out the account as 200,200. No. Go to the create option. Take out that GL account 200,200. Go to the continue option. Go to the type or description. Here in the GL account type is a primary cost element. That is revenue. And the accounting group will be sales. And the short text will be sales account. And long text will be sales account. And go to the control data. And sort key is 001. And create our bank interest will be Z001. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. So the next one is we need to create the tolerance group, right? For the customers also, go to the transaction code OBA3 and try to create the tolerance group. Okay, go to the new address and try to create the same thing. What we have created in the accounts payables, what we have created in the ECC also. Revenue is 100 and this code is 5, adjusted this code is also 5. Go to the save button and save it. Right, give slash n. Okay, the next one is we need to create the BP masters also. Okay, so creation of the BP masters using transaction code BP only all of you, and obsoleted transaction code is XT01 and XT02. Okay, so go to the transaction code BP mem or else XT01. Try with XT01, automatically it will be redirected to the BP, right? Okay, see the thing. So redirect into the business partner accounting transactions. Okay, go to the continue option. And for this server, all of you, business partner roles, okay, I mean, general data roles is not working. So all these things are there in the main master records. I mean, main master roles only. Okay, go to the continue option. Okay, so here in the grouping, you can just take out now. In the grouping, just take out, go to the grouping, just take out groups that we have created. That is DBPC. DBPC. DBBP. No. DB, sorry, DBBC. Yes, DBPC. So domestic customer accounting groups, and creating BP role, all of you, mainly standard systems in greenfield methodology, with greenfield implementations and all. In the creating BP roles, you do have 00000 is for the general master data. Okay, and FLVN00 is for the vendor company code data, and FLVN01 is for the main data and all. Okay, sorry, purchasing data, and FLCU00 is for the company code data of the customers and general data of the customers. FLCU01 is for the sales data for the customers. Okay, so you do have one configurations for the business partner roles and categories and all. You don't worry, I will try to tell you the each and every configuration in this weekend session. Okay, and here for creating BP role. Yesterday we have seen the error that for the 00000 general master records. Okay, I mean, general data is not taking for the particular business partner. So if the general data is not taking for the particular business partner, what we will do, all of you? So we just take out the FLCU 00. FLCU, oh no, go up. You will find the FLCU 00. Go up. Come down. FLCU 00. FLVA00 is for the vendor, all of you. FLCU00 is for the. Yes, take out one more issue. Go to the create option. Okay, so you will going to get general data as well as the company code data. So try to give the title one for the new customers. See, all of you, we are taking as an organization. Okay, that is why in the drop down option you can able to find out the company. If you are taking as a person, okay, automatically you are going to have Mr. and Miss. Give anything. Uh, um, Bajaj Electronics. Bajaj Electronics. Hmm. Then in the search term 1, 2, copy this thing and paste it here. Hmm. Can you give the street box, street and house number and postal code and city also? No? All of you do your configurations in SAP S/4HANA. Okay. Do your configurations in SAP S/4HANA. Please try to understand the point. See, most of the people they ask different types of questions on SAP S/4HANA, not on any ECC. Okay. So you do have a lot of changes, all of you, in SAP S/4HANA. And the reason is take out this reason. And the PO box is same thing, anything, Gandhi's Nagar or anything. Okay, Mumbai. And the postal code is 587486. 5874 and 86. And just give the language is give the language as EN. That is English. Is click on the enter button and check with this thing. Now go to the check button. If the business partner is error free, then only save the details. Otherwise, don't save the details. Check this thing. If the business partner is error free, okay, so give the company code data, reconciliation account as the reconciliation account that we have created, or else go to the company codes. If you don't have the company codes details and all, just go to the create option. Go to the create option and give your company code. Just select that thing and adopt it. Okay, adopt it. Automatically, no. Go to the company codes. Go to the company codes. Go to the company code. Select that thing and adopt it. Adopt it. Select that thing, adopt it. So your company code data will be changed. Okay. The next one is reconciliation account. Give the reconciliation account and also that we have created and sort key. Sort key also give that sort key. That is 701 and go to the payment transactions. Tomorrow we will going to have payment terms transactions. How we are giving the cash discounts when you buy the material. How you are giving the how we are getting the cash discount when you buy the material. How you are giving the cash discounts when you sell the material to the customers. Okay, and give the tolerance group also. No? Give the tolerance group also. Give the tolerance group and go to the account management. No? Go to the account management once again. Account management tab. That is customer account management tab. Account management tab. Left side payment transactions. There is account management tab. Authorization and substitution. Everything is fine. Can you go to the check option? If everything is fine, the system will show you the business partner is error free. Now you can able to save the details. Okay, go to the save button and save it. So this business partner has been created, all of you. You give /n1. Now we will do the testings. Okay, based on the configurations of the accounts receivables, we will do the testings. How we can able to do the testings? Now we will going to see. See, if you get the universal general ledger errors also, we will need to solve. Okay. Give /n1. Go to the transaction code FB70. FB60 for the vendor invoice, right? And FB70 is for the customer invoice posting. And change your company code now. Go to the company code. Give your company code. Give the customer. So we are selling the material to the customer, right? So for that we are raising the customer invoice. (20.06.2023) and the amount is any amount. And the text will be selling finished goods to the customer. See, finished goods means electronic items, cars, anything, all of you, like small thing to the big thing. And the next one, take out the GL account, customer account data to the sales account creator, right? And take out the GL account also. And the amount in document currency and click on the enter. Now, if everything is fine, go to the simulate option, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Customer account data to the sales account creator. Okay. So this document was posted, right? Now what we need to do? So we have sold the material to the particular customer, finished goods. Automatically, what will happen, all of you? So the payments are to be expected, first of all. So we will receive the payment from the customer using transaction code F-28. F-28. But when it comes to the technical concepts like BRS and all other few, automatically, based on that report only, we will generate the things. Got my point? So based on, I will show you how we can able to do the bank reconciliation statements and the EBS configurations. And for AP, I mean accounts payables, this data medium exchange configuration is very, very important. Okay. Take out your assessor bank account. See, you can maintain multiple bank accounts, all of you. So for receiving the payments or to make the payments. So that is the client choice. Okay. Validate. The next one is text as receiving the payment from customer. Receiving the payment from the customer. Yes, give the account now. That is customer account. Okay, go to the process, open items. If this shows any errors, all of you, please try to share the screenshot in the SAP group. Okay. Now you can just go to the civil and save it. Or else go to the document simulate option. Document simulate option. Okay. And save it. When you do the document simulate option, all of you, automatically you will try to find out the thing. Okay. So go to the transaction code FBL51. You can able to find out the report of the particular customer. What are the open items and what are the cleared items? And if you want to find out open items and cleared items together, you can use the all items. Okay, FBL 500. Give the customer now. Customer account. And try with this open items. If we have open items, automatically it will show you no open items, and go to the delete items and go to the execute option. Okay, good. Come back. So this is the way how we can able to see the reports in SAP S/4HANA, all of you. And major changes you have observed. Okay, so please try to save the documents. Please try to save the videos and all. Okay, within the days only it will going to wipe out. Try to understand. I will going to stop this recording, all of you.